Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ghost website builder. To begin, select a hosting solution for your Ghost site. You can opt for a managed service like Ghost, Pro, or Self-Host on a compatible server. Once installed, navigate to your website's address followed by /ghost in your browser. This will take you to your admin panel, where you can complete the initial setup and configure your site's basic settings. Now, let's create your first piece of content. From your Ghost admin dashboard, simply click the New Post button. You'll find a clean, intuitive editor where you can write and format your articles using Markdown. It's easy to embed images, videos, and other rich media directly into your posts, making your content engaging and visually appealing for your readers. Personalizing your Ghost site's appearance is straightforward. Head over to the Design section within your admin panel. Here, you can browse and install new themes from the official Ghost Marketplace or upload a custom theme. You can also easily adjust various site settings, including colors, fonts, and navigation menus, to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic, all without needing to write any code. Ghost excels at building and engaging a community. Activate the integrated membership feature to offer both free and paid subscriptions to your audience. You can then create exclusive content, like premium articles or members-only newsletters, to provide value. The dashboard allows you to effortlessly manage your subscribers, track their engagement, and grow your community, all within one powerful platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.